This is a honey and milk mask. Honey acts as a humectant, meaning it's water loving or saturating into the skin and helps fight off antioxidants or any type of free radicals and damaged skin. Super moisturizing. Then the milk, which is powdered milk, that's how you get milk into these types of creams. And I whipped this up myself, and I'm very proud of it. It's actually finally working. It took me a long time to formulate everything. Actually, I had the wrong equipment to formulate everything, and now I do, and now it goes on wonderfully, and it smells wonderful. So that lactic acid in that milk powder breaks open the skin and gets off any dead skin cells, sort of how a retinol cream would act at nighttime, but this is during the daytime. So it's not so super potent to where it's going to hurt your skin if you go out into the sun after your facial. But if you put a retinol on it, that could damage your skin because you're going out to the sun. That's why you add retinols at night. But this mask you can add at any time, and it still sloughs off the dead skin in a gentle way. Calming, soothing, and sedative. Mm-hmm. This mask is a cooling mint mask. Now, the only time I would use this mask is if somebody actually had like a maintenance or healthy skin, uplifting type of skin. If you have certain type of issues and conditions, do not use this one because of the mint. The mint actually activates and it goes into the skin and it's like, whoa, what is this cool feeling on my face? And that is the mint. It actually has mint. And so for me to put in the mint and mix everything together, it's like, wow, this is super potent. And it's a hydrosol that's added into it as well, like another astringent, or tightens up and closes your pores. But you instantly feel it on the face because it's really, really potent, hence the color. And so mint will change certain products differently. Almost like a mojito. If you put mint in a mojito, fresh mint, yeah, it's like a lime. It's like green. You know what I mean? Like you really see it like breaking up. If you let it sit for a while, then yes. But mint used with other chemicals actually has a different effect and different color, which is this like greenish blue, like teal, aquamarine blue, mixed in with some other ingredients that are healthy that I use, and it's patent pending. I'm definitely working on my skincare line. It's good. I'm finally got narrowed the measurements and everything correct. But I only use this on somebody who has kind of flawless skin or really good skin, minimal problems only because of its potency. Okay. This would not be good on sensitive skin at all because it would inflame it. It goes right through their skin. So be careful. Again, do not use this on people who have sensitive to dry skin. Normal to oily is okay, and people who have kind of like zero problems like her skin. It's really good.
A friend of mine, I gave her a massage. I saw one in the corner. I was like, what? I was like, what? Put me into the future where I'm fit again.
No, you are in shape. You're good.
Thanks.
Don't worry about nothing. You don't need a pelt, right? So they tell it, they're tailoring their commercial to you. People are like, hey, you want to stay in shape, you need Peloton. But you're smart. You're like, no, I'm a massage therapist. I work out every damn time I have a client.
Luckily, it's jeans. I massage. I should work out. I don't. I haven't because I don't need to.
Exactly. You don't. You're doing great. Like, shit. You're doing real good.
Don't worry, it's my body.
This mask is my go-to mask, and it's the mask that I'm super, super proud of, and it's my CBD mask, hence the color green. Now, I did have the leaves mixed into it last time. I really grinded it really, really well in a homogeneous blender. The problem was it was so organic to where, like I said, you can't use organic stuff and bottle it because it will grow. It has like a little growth to it. You'll start getting mold spores to active plant growth. You know what I mean? So it actually got kind of like weird looking, like, oh Lord. So then I actually had to add in certain pH balancers, actually had to add in different oils. And this is basically an oil blend. And then I just used the oil form of the tea or the CBD from the marijuana plant. And now you get a really good, smooth mask. So CBD mask that is easy to come off. It's easy to apply, as you can see. And that's the oil from the strokes. It doesn't really harden or solidify because of the oil. And that's what you want. This is somebody for hydration, for dry or sensitive skin to normal, acne skin, all that good stuff. If you're acne prone, you're good to go. And it's easy to take off. It doesn't smell like CBD. I actually had to put a pH balancer into that and actually make it to where it won't smell like CBD because you want to ship it and you don't want custom dogs or canines going off in the airport or UPS or wherever you're going to ship it from. So it's safe for everybody's skin, but it is still derived from the same CBD oil. This is 1,000 milligrams. Anything over 1,000 is kind of bullshit, unless you can prove it, and that actually takes a lot of work. So now we're going to remove it with the sponges. See how easy it takes. Look, that's the oil. It doesn't solidify, so it's an easy mask to remove. No troubles at all. I'm here to stop that. I don't want the fucking system to win. I'm a disruptor. Fuck that. You have to kill me to stop me. And even if you do, I'll just go to heaven quicker. And then I'm going to kill your ass as soon as God gives me that order. So either way, I'm going to get you. Even if you aren't here, I'll find your sneaky ass. I don't care if it's the 7 hells to the 10,000 hells. I'm going to find you. Man, let me tell you how bad an angel is. I don't even really know how bad it is. That's how bad they are. Like, I don't even know. Like, there's no limit to what the wrath of an angel can do, you know? Or God, like, I ain't trying to find out neither. Like, no. We think this is like, this ain't nothing. I mean, it's nice, but when you put it on, it is like instant calm. It's like, oh shit. And they're super easy for little parties, girls' night out, or any type of like man's night in or whatever you're gonna call it. Yes, have a mask. These are refreshing. They're super easy to use, lightweight. They don't irritate anybody's skin. I've looked at all the ingredients on the back, even though it has a lot of stuff on the back side of it, but that's just ways to actually use the mask to manufacturing. They're not lying about where they got it from. So that's why it's really a lot of stuff on the back of the packaging. And I kind of like that because I can research it and look it up. And yeah, so far so great. The reviews are great. From any, I mean, true professional reviews. I'm talking about from beauty shows to beauty workshops and stuff like that. Yeah, these masks have been talked about for many, many years now. And so as an added bonus feature, you can actually take this mask off, which I'm about to show you, and refold it back into the packaging and keep it in the packaging so you can use it again for the next morning or evening because it still has a lot of juice in the bag, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to pour it out. So it just sits in there and all it does is give off its good juices of the CBD, and it cures bug bites, it cures cuts, scars, bumps, bruises, saggy skin. I shit you not, I got bit by a spider, and I will show you in a new video coming up where that spider bite, it hurt like hell, but it went away when I put the oil on. And so people don't want you to know the power of CBD. Yes, pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know, but hell, I'm going to let you know. And if you want to purchase it, in the link in the description below, you can always click on it and go to my store and it'll be on your way to you. Look at that. It moisturizes the eyebrows, eyelids. It's great for eyelash washes. If you don't want to use soap, use the oil. It's good to go for beard hair, for man's hair. Oh yeah, vagina hair, you know, vaginal hair to genital hair. Oh yeah, softens things up. It's good stuff. Nice glide, and just smooth action. Look at those ears. See that? She's going to sleep. That oil, it's good. I'm trying to tell you, it's so seductive and sedative at the same time. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next video.